time to shift our focus to what's in fact been the most contentious ahead of the Delhi Assembly elections, as Delhi continues to be under the stage 4 of the Graded Response Action Plan. Smoke in the Delhi and the pollution level soaring continues to be the most contentious and the political issue. After witnessing a marginal improvement, the air quality index in Delhi has once again plummeted to severe category with an AQI of 427 at 7 am. The prominent pollutant once again is PM 2.5. The national capital was engulfed in a smog with residents feeling the chill as cold wave conditions prevailed. Delhi's AQI has been consistently deteriorating due to the drop in the wind speed, making it the worst since December 2021. Being true to IMD's air quality forecast, the AQI dipped back to severe. My colleague is Arzu joining me live from India Gate. Arzu, very good morning. In fact, what is the kind of scenario that can be seen as the air quality now drops back again to severe and Delhi continues to be under the stage 4 of the GRAP?
Well, Simran, since the past few days, the air quality continues to be deteriorating and it continues to be in the, very poor category. But there has been a slight improvement where we saw, the AQI was in the severe category. But today's overall AQI is in the very poor category. But there are several places where the AQI is still above 400. As I can show also through the data, as you can see at Bhavana, it's 439 at Dwarka also it's above 400, at ITO it's 389, at Jahangirpuri it's 447. So there are a lot of places, still there are places where the AQI is in the red zone, and most of the places in the national capital are under the red zone, which means that these are the zone where the AQI is in the severe category and very harmful for the people to breathe in such a toxic air. Right now I'm at the India Gate and would like to show you the visuals from the Kartavya Path. As you can see, thick layer of smog that can be clearly seen. The sky is even not clear even after the sun has risen up. Even after that also you can see the visibility is so low, and on the other side also, if I could show, the other side also is not visible, and there has been a very much impact on the visibility also. The people who are driving in the morning have in fact told that there is a lot of problem while they drive in the morning time. Also you can see on the roadside also, in fact the trees are not clearly visible, and this is the impact because the cold wave that is prevailing in the national capital along with the pollution issue which is taking place right now in the national capital. These are the visuals of the Kartavya Path viewers, and also this can be clearly seen. The Rashtrapati Bhavan in fact is not visible from here. It's just the 50 meters away from this particular place where I am standing. So this is the impact of which can be seen due to this smog that is prevailing, the combination of pollution and the fog. And also there has been a lot of smog in the early morning, but now the situation had a little bit improved, but still you can see a thick layer of smog that has engulfed the very national capital. Yes, Simran.
Well, Arzu, in fact, this remains to be the top issue also ahead of the assembly polls in the national capital. My colleague Mehendi Garg also joins me live on the broadcast. Mehendi, as Arzu is saying that there is a thick smog layer that can be seen at most parts of the national capital. The AQI continues to soar. While there are measures that have been put in place, CAQM and the other competent authorities for implementing the restrictive measures are monitoring the situation. But what remains to be changed on the ground? Show us the live visuals.
Well, indeed, Simran, the situation is very alarming as of now, because once again, the people of Delhi are facing a lot of problems due to the increasing air pollution. As you also mentioned, that the air quality index is deteriorating very fastly, and it has been observed to cross the level of 400s in the most particular areas and important areas of the Delhi NCR, whether we talk about Akshardham, the Anand Vihar area, the Jahangirpur area, Punjabi Bagh. So all these areas that are the prime locations in the Delhi NCR are facing a lot of issues. The people rather are facing a lot of issues living in these particular areas. And talking about the authorities, as you also mentioned, then yes, in the high level meetings, the discussions are being made and the preventive measures are, being discussed. But if we talk about on ground, what is the reality on ground, then the situation is completely different because yes, GRAP 4 was imposed in the national capital, but apart from imposing GRAP 4, some of the rules were getting broken, by, whether it's doing the construction work, whether it's the diesel vehicles that were prohibited to enter the Delhi NCR. So yes, the on-ground situation is very different as of now, and people are facing a lot of problem due to the increasing air pollution. And like every year, 2024 is not new because once again, the people are facing this problem very harshly, and they are literally forced to breathe such quality air. And this can also be a major issue that can turn out to be a major issue in the assembly polls also, because this is a problem of every year. And now when we talk to the people of Delhi also, then they are very much aware of the situation that is being created in the Delhi NCR, and the people are also questioning the Delhi government and also the responsible authorities that why not permanent measures are being taken care of to combat this problem completely. Because right now the high level meetings are being happening, all the statements are coming from the political leaders also, but air pollution, we can say that has become a mere political stunt or a topic of politics between the political parties. But it is the people of Delhi who are facing a lot of problem on a daily basis, whether it's breathing such hazardous air, or the health conditions that they are facing, that is choking of throats and itchiness in the eyes and skin related problems, coughing. So all these problems are happening as of now, but the ground reality from the high level meetings is completely different, and no such permanent solution can be seen as of now on the ground. Yes, Simran.
All right, Mehndi, thank you for in fact giving us the latest pictures and in fact the visuals which continues to be in the national capital. It's time to shift our focus to other developments.